Hello everyone, we are Excellent Seams, a clothing manufacturer that is committed to help others and be part of a greater goal. This is thanks to the relationship and work we do together with our customers, which allow us to help and give to children and their families that need the most. We support the Children Renal Insufficiency Association. In this occasion, the hospital allows us to make a reunion and celebrate with the children and their families, bringing joy to their life. These actions fulfill us and give us hope to move forward and do our job the best way possible. On behalf of the Excellent Seams team, we want to thank you for the trust of working with us. Together, we can make a lot of children happy. We hope you enjoy what you are part of. The joy and happiness the children experience is part of your work and kindness. We look forward to doing more of this in the future and share with you all the positive things you do. We are Excellent Seams.